Be honest. Have you ever told yourself, this week, I'm going to take crypto seriously, only to end up spending 3 hours doom scrolling X or Facebook or Instagram until you're just absolutely confused? And then at the end of the week, you have accomplished nothing? You want to be consistent. You want to create wealth, but you just don't know what to be focusing on each and every week. Well, let's fix that today. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners in crypto cut through all the noise, cut through all the hype, and learn how to build real wealth in crypto using simple macro strategies and building a conviction-based portfolio. After going through my own hard-learned lessons in this market, I decided to do things differently with discipline, clarity, and long-term purpose. Now, I'm building wealth the right way in crypto, and I'm teaching others how to do the same as well. Not chasing hype, but by stewarding opportunity. So if you're here to build something real and not just gamble, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to go through exactly what to be focusing on every week in crypto so that you can stay consistent without getting overwhelmed. Because crypto, it doesn't reward random effort. It rewards structured repetition. And once you build that weekly rhythm, that routine, everything starts to change. And now, if you have not downloaded my free crypto checklist for beginners, make sure you grab that free crypto checklist. The link is down below in the description, or go to cryptocolin.com. And we're going to start with the 4 main pillars. These are 4 pillars for a weekly crypto income. Not 20 things, not 50 indicators, just what actually matters. So the first one, this is your macro check. This is your weekly check on the macro market. This is what you want to do. It's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes of your week, not very long. See, most beginners obsess over 5-minute charts. That is a big mistake. Your edge is not in speed. Your edge is in positioning. So once per week, ideally the same day each and every week, we are going to go through this checklist. We're going to check this, the global liquidity. We want to check the global liquidity index. We want to check the direction. Is it expanding or is it contracting? We want to check the Dixie, the DXY. This is the dollar index. We want to know, is the dollar strengthening or is the dollar weakening? Then we want to check Bitcoin structure. When we check Bitcoin structure, we want to look for higher highs or lower lows. We want to check the structure of Bitcoin. Is it starting to trend up? Is it starting to trend down? What we want to know when we're checking these things is, are we in a risk on or a risk off environment? You don't need to be an economist to do this. You just need to answer the one question. Is the environment supportive of risk on assets, or are we in the risk off environment? That alone prevents over-aggressive buying in tightening markets, panic selling during temporary volatility. So when I say focus on macro cycles, this is what I mean, not doom scrolling headlines, just a calm, structured pulse check. That's like 10 to 15 minutes max per week. And in fact, it's even much quicker and much more detailed, even when you use the macro update signal tracker that I have. And next, the next pillar, what we want to do is we want our watch list. Our watch list review. Now, this is not new coin hunting. See, this is where a lot of beginners just end up getting derailed. They think that consistency means finding the next 100x, watching like 15 different influencers on crypto YouTube or X or Instagram, looking for the next big hot pick out there, and then jumping from one ecosystem to another ecosystem, just hopping around. That's not consistency. That's just pure distraction. Instead, you need to have a fixed watch list, your core, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then your high conviction alts, and then your small moonshot bag. So this is your green, yellow, and red bucket system. And then once a week, you're going to review the price structure. You're going to check, has my conviction changed at all during, and for any of these picks, any of these assets that I'm watching? You're going to ask, has anything fundamentally changed? Anything fundamentally broken in regards to these assets on my watch list? And that's it. If nothing's changed, then you do nothing. Remember, sideways markets feel boring, but boring, that's where discipline compounds. Nowadays, I personally spend more weeks doing nothing than doing something when it comes to my portfolio, that is. And that is a lesson that I learned the hard way. Okay, and the next one, this is the DCA and allocation. The DCA and allocation check should really only take you like maybe 15 to 20 minutes or so per week. Remember, consistency isn't all about, consistent buying. It's about structured buying. So once per week, you want to ask, am I in my planned DCA window? Am I overexposed in my high risk plays? Is my green, yellow, and red bucket system aligned? Do I have enough stablecoins? The dry powder. Sometimes just DCAing into stablecoins is the right move, just to DCA and add more stablecoins. If it's a dip within your plan, DCA in, do a buy. If it's not part of your strategy, skip it. You don't need to buy every single week. That's not needed, but you should review every week. That is how you stay intentional, not emotional. Okay, and last, this one here, this is reflection and journal. It's the secret sauce. This is the most understood step. Once per week, you want to write down, what did I feel this week? Did I FOMO? Did I hesitate out of fear? Did I break any rules? Most beginners think that strategy is charts. It's not. It's self-awareness. During boring markets, this is what I like to focus on: studying, strengthening conviction, tightening my allocation model, prepping exit ladders. Because in sideways markets, it's a perfect time for training. It's a perfect time to start improving your skills. If you can stay disciplined when nothing is happening, then you will stay calm when everything is happening. Here's how I keep my rhythm in sideways markets. Let me be transparent here. There are weeks where nothing moves, no big narratives form, no clear breakouts are happening. That used to frustrate me. Now I see those weeks as preparation time. Crypto is cyclical. There will be expansion. There will be euphoria. There will be panic in a crash. There's greed. There's fear. But your weekly routine, that shouldn't change. And that's the key. Same day, same process, same structure. Emotion fades. Discipline compounds. If you want a routine that will keep you consistent and confident, make sure you grab my free crypto checklist. Go to cryptocolin.com or use the link down below in the description. And if you found value at all in this content, you know what to do. You know I'd appreciate it if you did. Smash the like button. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. If you're not yet subscribed, well, click subscribe, click the bell so you're notified when the next video is available for you. And in the meantime, I got another list right here. I got a playlist with some more videos that I believe you're going to find some great value in as well. I'll be over there, so head on over there. I'll see you there, and bye for now.